How you doing, everyone? This is Kevin. I'm back with another video on the forge here, and I've been getting asked a question that I'm not sure that I know the answer to, but I'm going to try something with the forge here, and we're going to see how it works. Everybody's asking me, why am I using the damper? I really don't know. It seems like the burner burns hotter with the damper than it does without the damper. So I'm going to fire this forge up with the damper, and then I'm going to take the damper out and we're going to see how it burns without the damper. Now, those of you who have had gas forges, maybe you could tell me which way is the best way for me to run the forge, with or without the damper. And I have another little question is, where's the hottest point of the burner? Is it the very tip of the flame when it comes down? Or is it the center of the flame? Or I don't know exactly where that flame, the end of the tip of the flame should be. So I'm going to get it fired up, try it a couple different ways, and then we're going to hear what you guys have to say. That forge is running at about 10 pounds, 10, maybe 12 pounds of pressure. Now, let's look at the flame. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take the damper out, and then I want to see where the flame is. Now that's without the damper at all. And that don't look right to me. That's with no damper. That's with the damper closed all the way. That's with the damper just partly open. It sounds stronger, it sounds hotter to me. Now, is the forge the hottest right at this very tip down here? Right where it meets the rock? Or is it hotter up? That's the question. Now, you've seen it with the damper on, without the damper on, the damper all the way on, and the damper part way off. Now, I'm not really sure. A lot of people think just because I could build this machine that I know everything about it. Trust me, I do not know everything about it. I've been learning off the people who leave me the comments. That's where I learn the most. That's why I said, if you want to learn about anything like this, watch the video, that's great, but them comments is where you learn. Go in there and you got to kind of judge for yourself which one's right and which one could be wrong, because we know for a fact none of us are perfect. So if we could get an answer to the question, why don't we leave the damper all the way out? You've seen it with it all the way out. Why do we put the damper all the way on, and why do we leave it just halfway to where it sounds strong to me. Almost sounds like a rocket. And where the heat is the hottest? Is it the very tip, or I don't know exactly. I thought it was just the very tip of it was the hottest. Right where it meets the stone there. You just want the tip. I thought so. Now I could be wrong. But and if anybody's watching the video, look in the comments and hopefully they can help us out with the question that we need to answer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.